This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so pairing is quick. Open Phone Link on Windows and make sure your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Once paired, grant permission prompts on the phone for contacts, messages, and media. This lets Windows mirror content securely. If you see a QR code, use your phone's camera to scan it. Begin now so the app can finalize the connection and prepare the next sync steps. Once done with initial pairing, you need to grant deeper permissions so features work reliably. On your phone, accept requests for notifications, contacts, messages, and file access. Make sure Phone Link can run in the background and is excluded from aggressive battery optimization. On Windows, confirm camera and microphone access if you plan to make calls or use the camera. After permissions, trigger a manual sync in Phone Link and verify recent messages and photos appear. This ensures live mirroring and file transfer will function. Now you can use core features. Make and receive calls, send texts, drag files between devices, and mirror apps for quick desktop control. If something fails, first restart Bluetooth on both devices and toggle Wi-Fi, reauthorize any denied permissions, then try another sync. If issues persist, repair the phone in Phone Link or check for app and OS updates on both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable battery saver and any VPNs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.